Hi, today I'm explaining about another assignment in animate CC. The class, the today's class is path animation. Okay, so the previous class already I explained about twinning animation. We observed three different twins: classic twin, shape twin, and motion twin. Okay, so today I'm going to explain about uh, motion path. Okay, so I'll write the text: motion path animation. Right. Yeah, this is motion path animation. So here we can create the path. Okay, we move the animation, we move our animation along with the path. Okay, suppose this is text. Give the name NETEXT text and close this and create another layer here. Okay, here what we do, I create one box. Okay, in somewhere 40 frames or 50 frames, so right click here and insert keyframe. Okay, but for the animation we want at least two different keyframes. This is first and this is second, but the place wise we have to change this somewhere. Yes, now one key pose is here and the other key pose is here. Okay, between these two we can create animation by giving the right click and create shape twin. Create the classic twin. Create classic twin. Here it is asking when you want to apply the twin, you must have to convert your object shape into symbol. So the same it is asking. You can say OK. Okay, now check the animation. Okay, suppose here the path animation text is there, you can extend up to here, right click and insert a frame. Yes, now you can play this, you will understand this animation. Okay, so control enter, so you can observe motion path animation is happening. Right, now what we do, just you can make the control S, save and give this name the number wise. This is 20 and motion path animation. Motion path animation. Okay, save. Yes, now what we do, so here I'm creating a motion path. So motion path means what? Right click here on the layer. Suppose this is your layer. Above the layer, right click and add classic motion guide. Okay, you created a motion guide and give the path. Suppose with a line tool or otherwise can pen tool, you draw one line. This is my line. Okay, and you can change this. Suppose this is my path, I'm giving this path. Okay, now what we have to do, you can select this, Okay, can select the layer, animation layer. At first frame you can select, and here in properties you can check the orient to path. Just click on the orient to path. Okay, you observe here, so this point is connected to this path, and this other side also, what you do, other side also you can connect this, you can move this and connect to that. Yes, now see, this is following your path, your given path. Control enter. Now we'll understand that. So instead of straight movement, the previously what, before adding your motion path, so motion path means this is, so here we applied add classic motion guide. Okay, this is guide applied here. So layer wise, if you observe there, the symbol itself, it is showing motion guide. Okay, so guide is you created your way, how you want, you can create your path guide. Along this guide path your animation is moving. Okay, now here you can apply the ease in ease out. So suppose here start with slow. So if you want to observe this, add the onion skin, and you can check now this. See here the actions are slower, and here the action is very faster. Okay, now by pressing control enter you'll understand that. See, it is starting by very slow and increasing speed. Yes, yes. So this animation, you can move your cars, vehicles, suppose bikes, cars, and anything on road. Suppose the road is in up and down position, so you can use the up and down path. So along with this path your vehicle, so you can follow, it can follow the path. Okay, so with motion twin we use different kind of animations. Okay, so I'll explain here what are these. Okay, I'll take a new file otherwise. Okay, so new file, and you can copy this layer, right click and copy layers, and come here and paste here, paste layers. Okay, so this is your motion path animation. This is a title actually. Okay, move up, and here what we do, I'm creating one circle here. I created one circle. Okay, but I don't want this outline. I'll remove the outline. Okay, and here give this different color. Yes, this color I am giving, right. I'll keep here. Yes, now what I am doing, I'm planning this ball rotations. Okay, so for that I'm preparing one motion path. So we'll right click here and add classic motion guide. So motion guide is added here. So for that I'm using oval shape. So I want this outline only. I'm using this outline. Yes, this is my path I created. Okay, yes. So up to here I'm creating, suppose at 120 frames. 120 frames means 5 seconds. Up to here, by selecting your shift, you can insert frames. Okay, now what I'll do, your motion guide is added already. Now there, okay, so the shape is here, you can place it here, okay. But the starting point I want to move from here. Okay, so this is there. So 1 2 3 4 in 4 steps, here to here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 5 steps I want. Suppose this is for 1 second. Insert keyframe here. Okay, so here yes, here can place this. Can reduce the size by pressing Q. This is the size. Okay, and at next at 2 seconds, insert keyframe, and you can place here. So this is the more smaller. Okay, right. Now at 3rd second, 3 seconds, insert keyframe. Okay, so that can be the same size of this. So you can copy here and paste, but you can move this side, right. So next, you can copy this frame, Control S. So you can name it the same animation, so make it 20, give the name 20 and motion path animation. Okay, motion path animation 2. Okay, save. Right, next at 4th, again insert keyframe, and can move up to here. So you can copy the first frame, Control C, and paste at 95. So paste frames. copy this and paste. Yes, this is now we can insert here. Okay, so these are the key poses of the all the around the circle. Okay, so 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll create a classic twin. So it's asking to create a symbol, so you can create the symbol. Okay, and here create classic twin. So every time you have to symbolize that. Okay, and again create classic twin and asking for symbol, and create classic twin and add symbol. Yes, up to here. Okay, now what I'll do, if you see this, yes, I want the smooth full-fledged animation I want. So for that what I'll do, here in properties, orient to path, click on the orient to path. So it is connected to orient to path, and this is also connected to orient to path, and it is also connected. Now yes, up to here it is connected. Okay, now just you can check this, you'll understand this. Okay, so I want continuous animation of that. Okay, so for that what I'll do, yeah, it is giving, yeah, so what I'll do, this I'll delete up to here because it's giving some jacks. So remove frames, and I'll extend up to here, this insert keyframe and this insert frame. So now what I'll do, now this also I'll remove, up to here I'll remove, because I'll add again remove classic twin. Suppose this I'll extend, insert keyframe. Yes, so now this is already I added create classic twin. Now here orient to path also applied, and here right click and insert keyframe, insert keyframe. Okay, so then you can move up to here, otherwise what I'll do, this I can increase more big size. Yes, now at 25th, right click and insert keyframe. Okay, then I'll move here and decrease the size. Okay, okay, and then at second that means 50. Yes, here insert keyframe, and I'll move up to here, and you can decrease the size, okay. Yes, now what we'll do, at 25 and this is 50, suppose 50 to 25, 75. At 75, yes, insert keyframe. Okay, so here same frame I want. Same frame means this frame, so you can copy frames and come here and you can paste frames, but this side I want. Yes, this side. Perfect. So interesting. Now it is reaching. So but 75 to 100, up to 100 only I want. So this is 100 frame. Yes, perfect. So what I'll do, I'll remove these extra frames up to here. So remove them. Okay, now if you observe this, control enter, it can be giving the motion twin. The sizes are not changing actually. I want to change this size also. This is the first one. This is second one. It must be a smaller. But it is not following the path actually. Yes. Yes, control enter. So I'll make it within the less frames because it is delaying. So what I'll do, so I can remove this and within few frames only I'll try. Suppose up to 50, insert keyframe. Yes, this is there. Okay, so at 10 frames, first of all check if it is there, motion orient to motion path. Yes, it is there. Okay, yes, then at 50, can place here, make it a bit smaller. Yes, then at 20, insert keyframe, can move this up to here and make it smaller. Yes, Now at 30, insert keyframe, and can copy the same frame and you can paste. Yes, perfect. Now at 40, insert keyframe, so you can copy this. Copy this and you can paste. Yes, see, here to here it is. Yes, so what is happening here, why it is disappearing? Because this action is stopped up to here, but your frames, extended frames, are there up to here. So we can remove them by selecting up to here, right click and remove frames. Removed. Now you check them, control enter. So this is continuously moving. Okay, because this and this 2 times it is coming, because at the first frame and the last frame the both are same. To avoid that, control enter. Yes, here again some problem. Okay, now control enter. Yes, so it is moving along with the path, with the motion path animation. Okay, yeah, this motion path generally we use for the planets, solar system. In solar system, planets rotations and all we use. Okay, yes, so this also we can create this kind of actions also. Suppose you give the path, suppose your character is cycling and it's climbing a mountain, suppose going up and down, so you draw as your story, as per your story, you draw your path up and down like a hill and make down, okay, with the path. Then you can move your actual car or bicycle along with this action. So in animation, suppose any concept based actions will come there, we use this motion path animation. Okay, so this is motion path. So the other actions also we create in the coming lessons. Okay, I'll explain one by one. You can create by your own and you can understand. Suppose after creating this, you draw one shape like, and somewhere you can place your second key, and between these two keyframes right click and give the classic twin. Okay, right click and give classic twin. Okay, over on that you create your path. So over on that right click and give classic motion guide. The same way here also you can create classic motion guide. Then what will happen, your guide can appear. So now click on the your animation. Okay, at first point click the at first frame, and in properties check the orient to path. So just click on that orient to path, then your reference point you should have to connect with this path. Okay, then come this side and you can give other side also. Okay, so you can connect that. Suppose you can move the path this way, now you check this, it is following that path as per your given motion guide. It is following nicely, moving up and down and going up. So this is okay. Then you can use the, you can control your action by giving -100. So ease out and ease in. So when you switch on this on end skin, you will understand. Here it is ease out. Ease out means it is coming from outside and entering with slow, and starting with a slow and ending with a fast action. If you give the opposite, suppose here click the 100 and enter. So now the this is slow in, so entering with fast and closing with the slower. So that is slow in, slow out. Already I explained you. So as per your given direction, so this will happen nicely. It is settling cool. Okay, this is motion path. You also have to create your the own design, and you can create the motion path. Okay, so try yourself, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.